hopefully today will be the last day of all the major installations on the GMC. I've got all the parts and tools we need to install the water pump, install the AC compressor, re-gas the compressor, fill the refrigerant coolant into the AC system, into the water pump system, and start her up. We're going to finish the service, and that will consist of the fuel filter, oil filter, change the oil, and air filter, and that should be it. I'm hoping that'll be the end of my day and I achieve all of what I needed to achieve. Going forward, it'll be just minor tweaks on the big rig and the GMC, and hopefully we can get things going by next week. We can start the trip to Oklahoma. Okay, we're going 17 pounds of torque for each of these 5 bolts. I managed to install all my new parts, new AC compressor, new water pump with the gaskets, torqued all the bolts, did everything I needed to do. Just ran out of time. I never got to vacuum the lines, the AC lines, which I'm going to do today. I'm going to put some pack oil inside the AC compressor. Once they're all vacuumed out, I'm going to put refrigerant in them. Then I'm going to put some engine oil in the engine. I'm going to change the air filter out. I'm going to put radiator coolant inside, and we're going to fire this puppy up. That's it.